Awesome. Great. Okay. Hey, everybody. My name is Everett Pompeii. I am the founder of a company called Clerical, and we're building a consumer-facing platform, kind of a meta search engine for low-cost legal resources. And so as a part of that, we're trying to get people to both paid and free and government or nonprofit offered services. And a lot of those, you need to qualify and find out if you're eligible, even for government services here in the US for an attorney. If you're convicted of a crime, you have to qualify to get a public defender. So so on the site, you might find, hey, here's the public defender in your area, and click to qualify. We'll come over here. This is a proof of concept done in DocAssemble with that. And so it's using the NSMI v2 codes, which is actually at Stanford with Margaret Hagan. So crime in prisons is where public defender would be under. And so if you pick any of the states or the District of Columbia, we've encoded those kind of as a thumbs up, thumbs down, or maybe sort of rule. And so you click that, and so it's calling out to the API and says, hey, we have this for you to possibly qualify for a public defender in Arizona. And so you'll put your household size in. So let's say you have a household size of 2 and you make $25,000. It goes and runs the code and figures out your chances are actually bad. So what that is actually doing, minimize my own screen, is pulling over from an Airtable right now for the API, and has that for the category is the crime in prisons that we looked at, the state for Arizona, and it's running this code right here. And so this is the only block of code that you need to add a different area. And so the idea is to be agnostic to the category and the jurisdiction as far as the overall architecture. And so the questions for this are able to be reused between them due to the wonderful backwards chaining capabilities of DocAssemble, which is an open source expert systems platform built by a guy named Jonathan Pyle. I can throw that in the resource notes if anyone else is interested in that. And so, yeah, what that allows you to do is, even if you're asking about something completely different than a public defender, so something like TurboTax, trying to see, does someone qualify for the free version of TurboTax? You can use the exact same questions in there. And so allowing that reuse is the goal kind of this project. So we can crowdsource and have that legal knowledge engineering be a lot easier. And so you don't have to worry about maintaining the overall system. So a hackathon or smaller project that just kind of gets those stakeholders together can add something to the system and have that live on and be periodically updated. So the idea, just a couple other people have mentioned, is that the UI for that would probably be something in Blockly eventually. And so that's just all kind of in the development stages. So that's all I have. So yeah.
Great. All right. Well, thank you very much, Everett. Really appreciate it.